Shout out to all my packet chasers. Packet chasers in the building. If you don't know, this is your sign to get your CCNA. Today we're going to be working on CCNA class 4.1 through 4.9. This consists of network services and management. Our class objective today is to understand how to configure NAT, Network Address Translation, DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, NTP, Network Time Protocol, SSH, Secure Shell. You should also understand DNS, SNMP, syslog, QoS, quality of service. Lastly, you should know how networks scale, monitor, and secure themselves. So sit back in your seats and enjoy the ride. Section 4.1 of our CCNA class, Network Services and Management, we're going to be talking about NAT, Network Address Translation, Inside Source, Static, and Pools. So NAT is sort of like your network's mask. It lets private IPs talk to the internet using public IPs. So first we're going to talk about static NAT, also known as a one-to-one mapping. And in order to set up a static NAT one-to-one mapping, at the config line you're going to type IP NAT inside source static 192.168.1.10 space 203.0.113.10. That's the method that you're going to use to create a static one-to-one mapping. Next, we're going to do we have to assign this to an interface, the interface assignment part. So to assign this to the interface, we're going to type int for interface G0/0 IP NAT inside, and then int G01 IP NAT outside. The last thing we're going to do, we're going to verify that our configuration is correct. To verify that this information is correct and that we've configured it correctly on our router, we're going to type in show IP NAT translations. This is going to give us a table of the NAT translations that are occurring. We're also going to type show IP NAT statistics, show IP NAT stats. So this will give us information as to the percentage of IP address we've used, etc. I'm going to say this like I always say, you must study each and every day. And if you'd like to join us on our journey towards the CCNA certification, make sure you click on the link below and become a member of our PacketChaser Patreon study group. This concludes section 4.1 of the CCNA Network Services and Management class. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming through today. Shout out to all my packet chasers. Packet chasers in the building.